Now that 2024 is underway and we're expecting to see major news for a Bitcoin ETF, there is a lot to talk about with where you're trading your crypto, whether that's on centralized exchanges, decentralized exchanges, or platforms that are combining both of the aspects. In today's video, I want to talk about Unodex. It is a platform I've been trading on recently. It's a decentralized hybrid trading platform that bridges the gap between centralized exchanges and with decentralized exchanges. Ultimately, the way it works is it leverages a lot of the benefits of decentralized exchanges, like with security and speed, and also the aspects of centralized exchanges. So today's video, I want to go over some of the specific details of this platform, and also not only their platform, but with their token, because their token is available to be bought and sold on Uniswap. You can just go to their website, scroll down, click on buy UNDX token, and once you do that, it'll take you to Uniswap, where you can then go ahead and buy the UNDX token. A few details about the token is that it is the native ecosystem token for the entire ecosystem, and a few key things about it is that with this token, there's actually quite a few benefits. With their token, you're going to be able to get paid out a percentage, like passive income, for simply holding the token. So as long as you have a minimum of 10,000 UNDX tokens, you're then going to be able to have be paid out rewards for doing so, and that is going to be in the form of a percentage of the revenue that this platform generates, and it's really with their transaction fees. So if you look at trading fees, you can see that 60% of the fee is allocated to rev shares for UNDX token holders, and you can see 40% of the fee is allocated to the platform's operating and development costs. So simply by holding the UNDX token, you then are able to generate some passive income as long as you hold a minimum of 10,000 tokens. So it talks about all this on the token tax section of their white paper, as well as under the trading fees section. So like the UNDX trading fee is 5% for buy, 5% for sell, and like we talked about, that 60-40 split. So when you're looking at the platform, there's a few things that stand out. When you look at the website, it says the world's fastest trading platform, Unodex. It's the first decentralized trading application using its own Ethereum node and including revolutionary protocols. And what they ultimately mean by this is that Unodex separates itself from other decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges out there in the sense that it is able to be like up to 25 times faster, and it's able to reduce gas costs by like 30%. That's like 30% lower than traditional gas costs. And it's able to do this is because it utilizes its own Ethereum nodes and RPCs. So because of this, like I said, they're able to be 25 times faster and save costs on gas fees of up to 30% lower. So in addition to this, there's a few things with the platform that also separate it in terms of its UI and UX design. If you go ahead and click on the launch app, it's going to take you to their website, and you can see it's a very simple and intuitive design. If you go to the trade section, you could see right here we have like UNDX to WETH. Very simple to go about actually buying or selling. You could do with your wallet you have connected. You can see I have a wallet connected right here, and you can easily put in, adjust the slippage for whatever you want to buy. You could also do market orders as well. In addition to this, if you scroll down, you can see how there's open orders, order history, and position. So you can see all those details there as well. In addition to this, when you're looking at the website, you can see other aspects in addition to trade. So trade is this tab right here, but you can also see just the main dashboard. And on the main dashboard, it'll show you like if you have any referrals, because they have a referral system in place. If you refer other people, you can generate some additional passive income that way. And also you can look at charts as well as best traders and hot pairs. Moving down, you could also see they have this feature called Snipe. And Snipe, they talk all about in their white paper, because Snipe is ultimately a function that's going to allow you to prioritize the purchase of any token as long as you have configured your Snipe before launch. So it says, do not use Sniper to buy a token already launched, as there is a risk of being front run. If the token is already launched, use the trade section. So Snipe is ultimately so you can get into projects early and as soon as they are released. That's why it's called Snipe. It's like as soon as something comes about, you just have to indicate the address of the smart contracts that you want to snipe. You're going to select the wallet you want to get it from, and then as soon as it goes live, you're then going to be able to then get that set amount of tokens that you are like trying to purchase. So this is something that is pretty beneficial because it helps you get in earlier into projects than you typically be able to do. They have a couple of features like block delay. Block delay is used if you have information that a contract will be launched with trading blocks delayed to trap snipers. You also have other features like contract function snipe, first or fail, and that is basically like if the function is enabled, the sniper will abandon the purchase attempts if it fails to buy in the first block after trading opens. So basically, it's just like a way that you could get into trading early. So they have the trading section, snipe section, and also they have other aspects in terms of copy trades. So copy trades is coming soon, but this is pretty simple. It's usually where if you see traders that trade very well, you can copy and mimic their trades by simply a tap of a button. And that's all going to be added to Unodex's platform as well. So you can see that they talk about that under this section where it says coming soon. They also have referrals, and also they have a reward section, and these are just showing you like when you have referred people, they start using the platform, you could generate some rewards. So those are the main features of the actual platform. When you scroll down a little bit further, you can see it talks about some main features of their app and how it is going to be coming available to Google Play Store, Apple Store, and the Windows Store very soon. And last thing I really want to go over with this is going to be in terms of like security and safety. So one of which is with KYC. So it says, do I have to go through KYC or enter my email address and password to use the Unodex app? It says Unodex operates in a decentralized manner. So basically what it's saying is like, no, you don't need to have a KYC. You don't need have an email address or password or login. You just need to be able to connect like your MetaMask. And once you connect your MetaMask wallet or one of your third-party wallets, you can then instantly access the platform, start buying, selling, trading. You could use the snipe feature. You could use copy feature. All you need to do is connect to your wallet. So that's one of the benefits of being a decentralized platform because it has that ease of use aspect to it. So that's something that, again, is really cool. So this token is, and this project is a platform that I'm going to be using a lot more for their copy trade feature and with their snipe feature. But as of right now, I've bought actually quite a bit of their token, UNDX, because of the rev share that they have. They have this specific rev share model that we talk about where their token holders receive 60% of the gas fees generated by the platform and additionally 40% of the tax generated by UNDX tokens. So there are two ways where you can earn money: by the fees generated on the platform and by the taxes generated by the token trading. So ultimately, these are just simple and easy ways where you can start earning some passive income by holding the UNDX token. And like I said, it's just very simple and easy to go about buying it just by clicking on buy right now. It'll take you to Uniswap and you could buy it just directly there. So let me know your thoughts on this token, but I've been following it for a while over on Twitter. I've been seeing a lot of you guys message me about it, like quite a few of you, and with their token recently launching, their platform launching new features and soon to have its copy trade feature. There's a lot to be excited about.